morning guys, it's day 3 in Pelling and it's very cold and we have come to visit some palace as well as the bird sanctuary. It is very chill and I would like to show you the Sidkeong Bird Park. Just give me a moment. We are on the way to the palace and it is very beautiful. Over here we are surrounded by so many trees and now we realize the importance of forests, and the air quality index over here is pretty good. There's no pollution. This shows the quality of health that the people enjoy over here. I have been feeling so relaxed and rejuvenated over here, and it seems that I don't feel like going back to Mumbai. And yes, you can very clearly hear the chirping of birds, which is like so soothing and so hard to find nowadays. I'm very fond of nature and I usually like to explore places which are like very less crowded and are not so touristy. But yes, this is great. Just hear to the sound of this nature of falling water, and there are so many waterfalls over here and the weather is very pleasant. Now we are going to the Rabdenstein ruins, which has a lot of architectural influence and there is a lot of history related to it. I'll try to study that and share it with you if I come across anything. And it's like a nature walk while reaching to this palace. It's like some adventurous come historic trip and it's very fun.
अच्छा तो वो बंद मार ले.
This is a part of the palace only, and people used to come over here to worship. As you can very closely see, there are some things carved on this stone. These are basically Buddhist gods whom the ancient people used to visit. I have no idea about these what have been tied to this fencing. If somebody has some idea about these colorful threads, please let me know in the comment section. And the view from here is extremely mesmerizing. The best part about hills are everything is at the top and the weather is very pleasant and you can have a bird's eye view of the city, but as it is totally fogged, we cannot have a look at the city of Pelling. But I'll just give you a 360 view from this point and it is extremely beautiful. I am actually out of words and my camera is not able to justify the beauty that I am encountering over here, and we have a lot of places to capture today and I'll try to capture as many places as possible. So definitely watch this video till the end and I'll try to give you more insights about this palace. Actually there are no information or anything or any guide present over here to give us an insight about this palace, but I'll try to explore it and give a bit of insight about this place. I am assuming that the colorful threads that have been tied over here could be a sign of हम लोग मन्नत मांगते हैं and वो पूरा हो जाए kind of thing might be going on over here. I'll try to talk to some local people over here and get an understanding of the same, but this is what I assume. I may be wrong, so if you have any idea about it, please comment down below and let me know because I am very curious to know about it. So beautiful. Now we have finished the ruins and the palace. Now we'll be visiting the bird sanctuary, and this bird sanctuary is present in the this ruins premises only, and I'll try to capture different species of birds as much as possible, and we are lucky enough that the weather is pretty good today. It's not raining, or else it would have been really difficult to cover all these places. So yes, stay tuned. This is the Sidkeong Bird Park, and it has been very beautifully made.
이게 앞라고 있다고.
Now we have come to the Buddhist monastery, and it is very peaceful and beautiful over here. We were strictly prohibited to capture anything inside, and there was a museum, and they had preserved a lot of stuffs over here which are from the 17th century. The clothing, the vessels, the weapons, everything has been beautifully preserved, and it was a very beautiful sight to encounter. This is also a very must sight to visit, and I'll show you a lot of things. We had a great lunch, and now we have come to visit the SkyWalk. Over here it's like 8,000 feet above the sea level, but quite surprisingly it is very sunny over here. The SkyWalk that I had visited was in Malaysia, and it was like really an amazing experience, and now we have come over here, so I'll try to capture as many things as possible. And this is one kind of an experience only, because it has a very spectacular view, so it's really fun. So yes, come with me and let's explore this. There's also this huge Buddha statue above, which is like really nice. And Sikkim is a very beautiful place, surrounded by nature, and it is so calm and composed over here. I feel like, you know, spending a lot of time over here meditating, so because it's so peaceful. It was really difficult to find such atmosphere in the city life. And as you can very well see, there are dharma wheels over here, which is like really fun to rotate them, and it has some significance. And yes, it's a very beautiful place to encounter. It is highly recommended to wear shoes whenever you come to hill stations, because you have to walk a lot. And over here the ticket prices are 100 rupees per person, but it is totally worth it, because you cannot find such view anywhere, and that too at such an economical price. So yes, this is so beautiful. Now we are climbing and going up to the huge Buddha stupa. Really tired, I guess. It's approximately 100 steps that we have to climb, but it's definitely worth it. And don't forget to carry your sunglasses, as it's like very hot right now, and the best time to visit this place is approximately in the evening. Oh my god, I'm so tired, but I'm almost there. Finally at the top. The hard work really paid off. It's like really beautiful. This is the highest point of this spot. The best part about our nation is, again, speaking of it, is unity, strength, and diversity, but we are all one. This is what our nation represents, and it's really such a great message. And I'm really proud of my country. And I had come across a lot of quotes while visiting these monasteries and temples, that we are all one. And there was one really nice quote that I had come across, and that was, the end of character is education. We in our busy lives do not help each other, because I don't know, we are so much entangled into our own lives. It becomes really difficult to think about others. But all religions have the same message, that uplift the needy. And this is the own, you know, without mankind it would be really difficult to sustain life on this planet, because there are so many planets. Like, Earth is unique in its own way, because we have humanity on this planet, and without humans it would be really difficult to survive. So let's make it a point to help others, uplift the needy, and yes, and let's enjoy life by helping each other out.
एक मिनट एक